My name is Jen and I lead a double life. I'm an experienced primary school teacher working at Maths Circle and a parent to 2 young children. Life can get pretty busy. It can be tough to fit in regular NumBots practice. So I'm going to share some of the hacks, tips and tricks that work for my family to help you make NumBots part of an easy everyday routine. Robot reminders. From one robot to another, have your smart home assistant remind you to log into NumBots. We've set up Alexa to remind us about NumBots practice every day. It's one of those helpful nudges amidst the morning rush that keeps us on track. This simple routine ensures that both my children know exactly when to start their daily sessions. Aim for short sessions. We aim for just 3 minutes of NumBots each day. While it might not seem like much, this short duration fits perfectly into our morning routine. My daughter loves challenge mode games, which last 1 minute each. During this time, she chooses which challenges to tackle, allowing her to lead her own learning. A story level a day. Beyond completing challenge mode games, my daughter aims to pass 1 story level a day. Story mode is great because it provides students with a structured step-by-step program that builds their fluency. Some levels can be tricky, so if they start to feel frustrated, one parent or an older sibling is always there to lend a hand by reading the questions together, walking them through the answer, or trying to find clues on how to pass it. Keeping it positive. If frustration does creep in, and let's face it, during the busy school week, that's likely, we take a break. We might explore the cool badges they've earned, build a bot in the custom shack, or listen to one of the many growth mindset audio stories. It's a reminder that learning should be enjoyable, even when we're busy or tired. Weekend break time. We take a break from NumBots over the weekend. This break helps them recharge for the week ahead and keeps NumBots sessions fresh and exciting when Monday rolls around. So those are my top tips for integrating NumBots at home seamlessly. Practicing little and often, keeping it fun and positive, and building in time for breaks makes practice at home feel effortless and enjoyable.